Rami RC turned the Airbus A380 into a true 1/8 scale giant that has completed first flight, 800 pounds, about 362 kilograms, with a wingspan approaching 10 meters. A project at this scale is, by itself, a major systems engineering challenge. To lift an aircraft of this size safely, the challenge is not just generating thrust, but building more than 450 pounds of total thrust from four 250mm EDFs in a stable and synchronized way during takeoff. Inside the fuselage, 8 Tattu 23,000 mAh 14S high C-rate batteries form a core part of the aircraft's power system. Built around a 51.8-volt high-voltage platform, the battery system must do more than feed 4 massive EDFs. It also supports 39 servos and multiple onboard actuators with stable power delivery. The most demanding moment comes in the seconds before liftoff. When all 4 propulsion units enter high load together, the real risk is not simply running out of power, but voltage sag, slower response, or uneven thrust buildup. With stable power delivery, all 4 EDFs can build thrust faster and more consistently. That is one of the foundations behind this, a 380's flight performance, including speeds up to 103 miles per hour. A smooth landing also shows that robust and stable power reserves matter beyond takeoff. They contribute to the control margin of the aircraft throughout the full flight. For an ultra-scale EDF aircraft like this, a battery is not defined only by nameplate figures such as capacity or voltage. What matters more is whether it can sustain stable output under heavy load. Rami RC completed an exceptionally challenging engineering mission, and Tattu is proud to have provided the power support behind this first flight.